We're starting up the day here, folks, here at the command center, jwsolarusa. You can see we make about 1.5 kilowatts, 1.5 power. It's not even a kilowatt yet. So this is the power we're generating from this command center, from the jwsolarusa, 21.2 amps, 25.5 volts. So we bring in 103.8 volt DC from the array. We are sitting at 82% state of charge, and we bring in a 547 watt back to the system, and we are doing pretty good. I hope you subscribe, like, and share from the station here in Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Bye for now. Alright, YouTube, we're back again. Update and show you how the system is running. But you can see we're still bringing 100 volt, and we bring in 668, 1.9 kilowatt, and 26.1 volts on the batteries. We put in 25 amps back to the batteries. We are sitting at 88 state of charge. We're on bulk mode, so we head into very close to 2 kilowatt. We put into the batteries. So folks, you guys can see how we generate power here, slowly but surely. 100.6 volts coming from the solar array. It's doing its conversion and all that stuff. It's putting it back to the batteries. It's a slow day, but anyway, this is how we do, and this is how we generate power to fill up these batteries here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this content. And this is how we bring you live from Minnesota, jwsolarusa. I hope you enjoy it. And we're still doing pretty good for winter. This day today, 668, 670. We might probably make it for to absorb or float, because if I can check the time here, it's noon already. You know, it's noon. Who knows? We might probably make it. Okay, 88% state of charge, live from Minnesota, jwsolarusa. Alright folks, we just turned 2 kilowatt. It's 2 kilowatt right now, bringing 25 amps to the batteries, 26.3 volt, and we bring in 660, 657, and this is how we're charging the batteries here. 89 state of charge. Subscribe, like, and share from the command center, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. I'll give you a rundown of the power production for the day at the end of the day. Bye for now. Alright, jwsolarusa. I just want to show you what's going on right here. We're heading all the way to 2.8 kilowatts today, right now, and we're on absorb mode, but we're still bringing power. If I check the time right now, it's just 1400 hours live here in Minnesota, and we're still generating more power for the off-grid solar power home. And we're still bringing 17 amps at 500 watt and 2.2 kilowatt. So I hope As time goes on, I keep on updating you till the system goes on float. And if you happen not to show that at the end of the day, well, I might probably already caught up with something else. But this is the production as we go, and I want you to see, since you're watching this video, and this is how we've been generating power live here at the command center, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more to come from this channel. If you haven't been a subscriber yet, please subscribe and give a like and turn the notification bell on for any time I post a video, feature video. You guys gonna be the first one to be notified. Coming from the command center, jwsolarusa in Minnesota. Bye.